Happy New Year! Welcome back everyone for another week of SQL fun, the first week of SQL with Bert in 2018. Everyone's got New Year's resolutions this time of year. Mine is to teach you to become a better SQL developer. That just means I'm going to continue with my videos, I'm going to try to include even more content and make these more relevant to help you in your jobs. I'm going to start off on that resolution right now by showing you a tip that I didn't know about for a few years. I was doing something in a really slow and inefficient way, but it turns out there's a really fast way to do it. And the thing I'm going to show you is how to quickly generate create scripts for different objects in the database. So let's swing on over to the computer and I'll show you there. All right, so what I want to show you today is a better way to script out your database objects. Maybe you're elevating from one environment to another, or maybe you're trying to just create a copy to be able to mess around with some data. The way you're probably used to doing that is just by going to a table, let's say, and right-clicking, saying script table as create to new query editor window. And that's fine, right? It loads, it has everything in there that you would need in terms of data types for columns, and it even has, the primary key, and, it has many of the constraints, foreign keys like that, but it falls short in a lot of aspects, right? It doesn't script your indexes for you, and it doesn't, it doesn't allow you to do multiple tables at a time, right? If I want to go do my indexes, right, I got to go click into here, click into indexes, and then, oh my gosh, there's 5 of them, so we got to go and do create to on all of those. So, really a pain there, and I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. So, that's obviously a pain, and it's also, if I want to then do this order lines table, I got to script that, and then suddenly I have all these tabs open at the top that I now need to run all these scripts for. The better way to do this is, instead of right-clicking on the table, is to just right-click on the database itself, and then you can go to Tasks and choose Generate Scripts. Now what happens here, you get this kind of GUI dialog that opens, you just click Next, and this will allow you to choose what you want SQL Management Studio to script out for you. So we just check that there, we'll go to our tables. So we were trying to script out the orders table. We could also choose order lines, for example, right? And we could choose however many tables we want here, as well as your views, your stored procedures, your functions, everything can kind of be done in one go. You can click Next, and another cool thing here is this Advanced button. So like I was saying, by default, your indexes don't get scripted out using that, right-click script as create to. But here we can, if we scroll down, we can find the script indexes option, actually turn that to true. So it'll script out the indexes. And there's lots of different properties in here. Definitely take the time to look them over. If we click OK, we have options to save it to disk or whatever. So I'm just going to save to a new query window. We're going to run that. And there, it finished. All right, we click finish, and here we go. Here are our tables, here's orders, and everything else is still there, including, but now we have our non-clustered indexes. We have these other tables up top, order lines that we selected, right? So this is just a much more efficient way of scripting out our database objects. So that's it. Like I said, I didn't know about this trick for years. I was doing it the old way, where I was right-clicking on like 30 tables to create them and then all the associated indexes. Hopefully this saves you some time. It's way easier because it's just one right click and to generate those scripts. You have many more options in terms of also including your indexes, or whether you want them to be scripted as create or drop and create. And it's a lot quicker, right? There's just a lot less clicking, which is awesome. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching this week, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.